Let's go on a hike together. Today I'm doing Manastash Lake Trail number 1350. It's located just out of Ellensburg and should be a fun trip. Trying out my new Granite Gear Crown 3 60-liter backpack today, as well as a couple other things. Should be a nice hike. It's about 4 miles to Manastash Lake. Lost Lake should be right around the halfway mark, about 2 miles in, so I'll probably eat some lunch around there before I do the final push. Nice and sunny, blue skies. Overnight at the lake it should be a low of 34, so definitely on the chillier side. And yeah, so enjoy the view and I'll see you guys here soon. Oh, look at the little guy. And the switchbacks begin. Looks like that tree just fell over this winter. Crazy. Actually, already at Lost Lake, it's a lot faster than I thought it was going to be. So I'm only about an hour in. It's, what time is it? 12:45. So it'll be the perfect place to have some lunch. And then I imagine maybe another hour and a half to go until I reach Manastash Lake after that. So enjoy. A funny moment right here. This looks so much like the trail until it doesn't. I was so confused because none of this looks walked on, and some of these trees don't really look freshly fallen. So I'm like, what is going on? And then I turn around and realize, oh, the trail doubled back. So I'm gonna have to pay attention a little more. Just wanted to check in again. We're on hour 2 and I can see a clearing off in the distance, so I think I'm just about to the lake. Maybe 5-10 minutes at most, so just about there. There it is, Manastash Lake. So I've made it to the other end of the lake. Just looking for a spot to set up camp. This one's pretty nice right here. It's right off the trail though. I might walk a little bit further, see if there's one I like a little bit more. Maybe in the sun a little bit more too. I actually think I'm gonna set up right here. Have a log to break the wind some, and then right down here, lots of sunshine. There's even a bench someone built. like a bench right here on the lakeside, so looks like it would be a really cool spot to fish, relax, and see if I can have some trout with my curry tonight. Oh, fish on. Oh. Hoo-hoo-hoo. Looks like a nice little brook trout. Just look at that color. Oh, he got off. He got off. Almost. Well, caught a couple of nice brooks. One got away. And lots of bites. So anyway, these are pretty good sized. But starting to lose daylight, so I figure I should probably get heading back. My camp is kind of in the center, right over there, so I have just a little ways to go. This is very wobbly. I have this Japanese curry rice I made at home. All dry, instant rice. I'm gonna make that up tonight. Ooh, perfect. Can't really see it, but my curry's done. Decided to come down here and eat it by the lake. You hear a whole bunch of frogs. It's kind of crazy. Well, it's morning now. Looks like it's going to be another beautiful day at the lake. Got down to maybe mid to upper 30s last night. So a little chilly, but not too bad. Time to make some oatmeal and coffee. Gonna get my meal koozie out. I'll use this to soak the oatmeal. How's this for coffee? Found these filters a while back. I just make a little pouch for my coffee each cup. It just makes this nice little pour over design. I love it because I can use my own coffee at home. and get the great taste here at camp. Oh, water's ready. Oh, that smells good. I also have a portable battery-operated espresso machine. I didn't figure I'd bring that this trip. That's really good for in my car at work. But a little on the heavy side. Made my own oatmeal mix at home. Just add water. Seal her up. Let it soak. This has like a reflective lining on the inside. I actually kind of made it myself. It was from an unused water bladder insulator that I found. So I cut the bottom off, added some more like insulating foam, and it's pretty light. Now we wait. I just finished my oatmeal and decided it's time to head back. I would have loved to stay, but never intended for this trip to be a long one. Figured a quick overnight in the outdoors, test my gear, and I'd say it was a good pass. Everything worked out quite nicely, only a couple hiccups along the way, and it'll just give me an excuse to come back to this beautiful lake here soon. So anyway, so now I'm gonna go ahead and pack up and hit the trail. I'm back, all packed, and that's a wrap. So I'm gonna hit the trail here in a moment. Figured I'd give the lake one last farewell before I go on my way. She's a beauty. All right, well, I'm gonna hit the trail. I have a wedding to catch in 3 hours, so see you soon. Four by four. Morning. Morning, you're welcome. Perfect, thank you. Thank you, take care. Yeah, so Manastash Lake Trail is also open to dirt bikes. I forgot to mention that earlier. So, I don't dirt bike, but kind of a cool thing that they allow. It does look like they, for the most part, maintain the trail really well, so yeah. Hey, there's my favorite switchback. And turn this way. Don't go straight. There's Lost Lake. I've been wanting to stop, but I realized I forgot to put on my bug spray back at camp. The mosquitoes have been absolutely horrid. So I've had to keep pressing on or else get eaten alive. So I'm hoping maybe the wind here at the lake is such that I can see if I can correct that. Back at Manastash Lake, I don't think I saw a single mosquito, so we'll see how it goes. On my way in yesterday, it was like a hurricane, so I think that's why I didn't notice any yesterday. Anyway, we shall see. All right, I think this is the spot. There's seems to be no more mosquitoes and lots of gnats. All right, I'm back. I'm happy. Got some drone footage in, and then I managed, actually I should double check, make sure I got everything. I'm always paranoid I'll leave something behind, because I'm known to leave stuff everywhere at work. Do you guys do that too? Anyway, yeah, looks like I got everything. Wouldn't want to leave a drone behind. Anyway. But yeah, no, I got some drone footage in and then managed to put some Picard in on also. I'm pleasantly surprised. The mosquitoes still seem to notice me. They keep swarming around me, but it seems to be keeping them off, so that's the main thing. It's a beautiful, beautiful day here at Lost Lake too. But I'm running out of time, so I'm gonna hit the trail again. See ya. It's a different trail over there. Now we'll go the other way. Again. Found part of the old road. Manastash was heavily logged back in the day, so there's a plethora of old Forest Service roads, different old roads where they did their logging, and some remain open, but many of those have been closed to obviously allow the landscape to heal and regrow. I think it's a good thing. There's my Suzuki. Old faithful. All right, hope you guys enjoyed the video.